Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Android TV model and OS because menus differ. This saves wasted steps. Once done, grab the remote or a paired phone app and navigate to Settings, Display, or Screen. If you don't see options, enable developer options quickly by going to About Build and pressing Enter 7 times. Make sure you understand toggles you enable. Now locate items labeled Overscan, Screen Size, or Display Size so you're ready to adjust pixels and edges precisely. You change the size using the Overscan or Screen Size slider in small increments. Don't jump large steps because text and UI elements shift. Once you scale, use Position or X/Y controls to nudge the image left, right, up, and down so edges align with the TV bezel. Test with a test pattern or a white margin image to check that nothing is cut off. Make incremental adjustments, pause, and visually confirm app menus and subtitles remain fully visible before proceeding. You finish by saving changes and rebooting the TV or the source device to lock in the new screen geometry. Then cycle through each HDMI input to ensure consistency across boxes and consoles. If content still appears cropped, change the TV's aspect mode to 16:9, just scan, or full pixel. This often fixes overscan conflicts. If problems persist, reset display settings to defaults, update firmware, and swap HDMI cables. These steps resolve most calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.